Hello everyone, welcome to JJ Squad. Daily routine, y'all already know what's up. At it again, Calypso, Skittles. Let's get to it. So I guess Skittles want to say hello to everybody. He want to make all his little noise early in the morning. Once again, puppy pads. Getting ready to change the bottom. Let's go ahead and go down. So y'all can see. I'm gonna slide this over and a little bit back. Boom. Here we go. Let's change this bad boy. He like to join me at the bottom because he really want to get that. He want to get into the poop tray. He want to get these puppy pads. He loves it. We must don't know Daddy got his own little magic plan to keep him from going to the bottom. That I have on the floor, because they're still good, just going to shake them off, put them to the side, and I'm going to actually reuse these. Same thing with Calypso. Be mindful she don't really make no that. She's between. She want to get out. I don't want them to get out right now. If I had the screen in closed, I'd be a whole different ball. Right now, I don't want them to get out. Okay, what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna empty out their food tray. They food trays and then put them some I just ordered some more food for them 3 days ago. They'll be here today. Food on the menu today is peanuts until their food come in tomorrow. I mean today. It's gonna come in today. Not bad. Normally it's not the only thing I give them because it's running late. They occupied. She love smoking the cage on me. He thinks it's slick. Alright, let me put this back up. The only thing left is to sweep. You know, I'm gonna try to start using this 360 thing. Let me see. So it can follow me. Let's see if it will follow me. Okay, let's see how good it works. Y'all let me know how good it works in the comment section. I'll be buying stuff and then don't be getting the full effect of things. But I'm gonna learn. That just take a while. Oh, y'all can see my light, huh? I don't want y'all to see the light. It looks dark in here. That better? What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes. Yeah, what? Love, love, love. I wanna be strong. Is it still following me? Yes, it is. I might need to start utilizing this thing. Let me slow it down. Oh, this is it done lost me. It done lost me. Let me see. And sometimes this stuff works, sometimes it don't, man. Got me kneeling down when I don't want to kneel down. Alright everyone, my kids is up, ready for school. JJ Squad is out.